Alright guys, I'm back with another good news, and this time it is regarding your passport submission. Guys, please be tuned till the end. I am discussing the passport submission for your Canadian visa. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. Alright guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is there, but as you can see right now I'm in India last couple of days, and I am back with yet another news and update from IRCC. So guys, before we get started on this video today, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration, and if you are willing to move to Canada, then this channel can be of great benefit to you. So guys, what we are discussing today is passport submissions. Now, as you already know that due to the COVID-19 pandemic crisis and the whole situation of lockdown in India, the passport submissions for your visa stampings and everything was not happening. It was all around the lockdown crisis and everything that was going around in India. Now, a lot of people have been waiting upon after their visas have been approved, their PPRs have come across, but they have not been able to submit their passport. Now, the Canadian Embassy had a couple of days announced on their Twitter channel that the VFS will now be accepting the biometrics, okay, but there was no update on the passport submission. But today, just about an hour ago, the Canadian High Commission in India has finally tweeted, and it has come out with this 3-step tweet that I'm going to read out for you. Please be sure to follow word by word so that you don't miss any important piece of information. So what the Canadian High Commission in India has to say is that its attention to the visa applicants starting on July 19th at 11 a.m. IST, the VFS passport submission web form will go online for all holders of the passport request letters. Okay, the second part says that please note that our VAC offices do not accept in-person passport submission, nor should you send your passport directly to the High Commission. Okay, and third, it says please scan the QR code to access the FAQs on this particular topic. So guys, there you go, you got that right. The Canadian High Commission in India says that VFS has finally is about to just resume the passport stamping services, the passport submission services. So what you need to do is fill that web form. After the web form is filled, they will send you the payment link. After you receive the payment link, fill in that payment link and everything, and send the money to them. Now after that, they will send you a Blue Dart two-way courier tracking number. The Blue Dart guy will come over to your home. You need to put in the passport and the passport request letter, everything in that envelope, and hand it over to the Blue Dart guy. The passport will then be sent to the High Commission where the stamping happens, and then via the same courier tracking services, you will receive your passport back in your home, your residence, wherever you are. Okay, so this is the overall process, and like the Canadian High Commission said, they are about to resume the services starting the July 19th at 11 a.m. IST. So if you have already received a passport request letter, please make sure that you waste no time and fill in the web form starting that time, and post that the VFS will start sending you the payment links and everything post that. So right now, due to COVID, the in-person submissions and all are not happening. Please be sure this is the only way for now, at least. Okay, so guys, I hope this news brings in a lot of relief for a lot of people who have been waiting to travel to Canada. Students, family members, PR residents, everybody, wish you all the best. And if you need more help, my details are in the description box and on the screen. Please feel free to book a consultation, and I would be more than happy to speak with you. Once again, lovely chatting with you, and I wish you and all the best, and hope to see you soon in Canada.